Hello friends, let's solve Leetcode 30-day challenge. Today is day 5. We already solved these 4 days and today's question is best time to buy and sell stock 2. So we are given an array. Every element is like a price of the stock on ith day. We have to design an algorithm to find the maximum profit, and we can do as many transactions we want. And this is a sample example here, like we buy at 1 and sell at 5, we got 4 profit. We buy at 3 and sell at 6, we got 3 profit. The total is 7. That is our maximum profit. Here we can buy every day and sell it like so. We have to solve this. It is very simple solution. Let's say we have integer profit equal to 0 in starting, and we go through just one for loop. For integer I equal to 0, I is less than prices dot size and I plus plus. We simply check if our prices at ith day is minus prices at I minus 1th day is greater than 0, it means we are making profit, so we calculate it, otherwise nothing. So price at I minus 1 is greater than 0, so we have to start with I equal to 1 because we are doing I minus 1. So we have to check, let's say price is I minus 1 is greater than 0, then simply we profit equal to profit plus this difference, price is I minus price is I minus 1. That's it. This is our solution, and we return our integer profit after the for loop. So return profit. That's it. It's very simple solution. We just get a difference, and it is working. We get sample correct. Let's submit our code. It accepted. Great thing. Check more details. And what we get is we get 4 millisecond runtime and 7.4 MB usage, and we beat 97.60% of C++ submission. So this is a great algorithm. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and keep doing Leetcode.